Morning guys, in front of me is iPhone 17 and let me show you how to activate slide to type feature. So at first, just open the settings. From settings list, go to general, now locate keyboard, and here you can find all setup for your keyboard. So just go through all of the stuff, through all of the options and mark your favorite ones. However, it's about slide to type. So if you wish to activate slide to type feature, super useful one, makes your writing pretty quick, pretty simple. Just mark it here, slide to type, and that's it. Here you can also activate delete slide to type by word if you wish to, but let me leave it active. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.